Welcome to 5663 Troy Villa Boulevard. This 1,300 square foot condo features one floor easy living. There are 3 bedrooms that each open to a private patio. There's convenient storage here in the hallway, and this is the 2nd bedroom. The closet there. This is easy living, tile floors. This is the full guest bath. And this is the main bedroom. It also opens to the private patio. And the master bath is ADA compliant. The utility room is located conveniently off the kitchen, as is this spacious family room. There is room for an eat-in kitchen. With another family room space. Off the kitchen, we also have another enclosed private patio that opens into green space behind the unit.